Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this snow globe edit on CapCut PC. So find any snow globe PNG that you can find online, and you're just going to grab your video like so, and you're going to add it to the canvas. Go to mask and select circle and just create a circle here. And if you want to stop there, you can, but you can also go to effects, and you can like add in the like fisheye effects to your video. Maybe not this one, maybe like this one, so it looks like it's more in a snow globe if you add that in. I don't know why the effect. Okay, there we go. And as you can see, it looks a little bit more like it's in a globe rather than it's just there. I'm still like loading for the effect. I'm so sorry. I don't know why the effect's taking so long to load today. I'm just like trying. Okay, what about this one? Okay, maybe not this one. Okay, let's use this one instead. And then I'm just going to grab this and I'm just going to mask it into a circle. And if you want, you can go to canvas here just to add in like a background if you'd like to, but I'm just going to leave it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!